Well, hi folks, it's Mike with Kitchen Tips Online, your one-stop shop for the best kitchen tips and tricks online. And if you have a tip that you would like to share, just put it in the comment section below this video. It doesn't have to be about sheet pans or cleaning, but if you have a kitchen tip or trick that you would like to share, let us know in the comment section. And if we use it in a future video, we'll give you a shout out so that even your dog will be proud of you. Now, if you do a search for how to clean sheet pans or what is the best way to clean sheet pans, you'll get a wide variety of ideas that range from using dryer sheets to baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Well, in this video, we're going to take a different approach. I borrowed this pan from a neighbor, and as you can see, it has some pretty baked on grime or grit or dirt or whatever you want to call it. It also has some oxidation in it from having been in the dishwasher. Well, we're going to clean half of this pan using the method that I have been using for years, and we're going to show you how to get this half of the pan as spotless as this half of the pan. As you can see from the picture on your screen, the pan that I decided to clean is absolutely filthy with caked, burnt on, I don't even know what that is. In my experience, baking soda or dryer sheets just won't remove this kind of heavy baked on crud. Now the first thing we want to do is put the sheet pan in the sink and give it a good spray with our cleaning solution. I am only going to clean half this pan so that you can see the contrast between the clean and dirty side. Next, we'll let the sheet pan rest in the sink for about 15 minutes. After 15 or 20 minutes, you want to take an SOS pad or a Brillo pad and scrub off the remaining sticky stuff. And because this sheet pan is very filthy with burnt on food, it's going to take a little bit of extra elbow grease to get it clean. Now all we need to do is take some hot water and rinse this pan clean, and then take some regular dish detergent and rinse off any of the leftover residue. As you can see, the pan is nice and clean and almost new looking on one side. Now the reason I waited to show you exactly what it is I use is because I use a product that some folks might consider controversial. I use Easy Off Oven Cleaner and have been using it with no problems for about 25 years. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know how to get your sheet pans or cookie sheets as clean as the day you bought them. Now, if you think we did a good job here, a thumbs up would be appreciated. And if you're not a subscriber and you'd like to see more videos like this, well, I recommend you subscribe. Thanks for watching.